Hey, I'm Tamara and welcome to the channel. So on today's video, I'm going to basically show you what the Builderall affiliate program is, but how you can basically 10 times it with the use of the Rapid Profit Machine, which is free to join. Okay, and I'll also be showing you how you can get a 2-week free trial with Builderall through the Rapid Profit Machine. All right, so let's go have a little look inside. First at the Builderall affiliate program and just how much you can earn realistically. No BS here. And when you see affiliate marketers that say, oh yeah, it's 2 hours of work a day, or I work 1 hour a week, or whatever bullshit is that. No, you do need to put the work in. But the beauty of the Rapid Profit Machine and the Builderall affiliate program is that literally if you just even sold one a month, that you can make a very good income, like over $3,000 a month by selling one a month, because that's how 2-tier affiliate systems work. So hold on to your hats. Make sure you stick around for my bonuses as well. Like I said, it's worth over $5,000. And let's go have a look inside, see what I'm talking about. Plus, of course, you'll also see my up-to-date earnings that I made the last 2 weeks. Okay, here we go. Okay, so first of all, let's just look at what all the tools you get with Builderall. So there is 40 different online marketing tools, including a unlimited email autoresponder. Super important. I mean, you need to have this, an email autoresponder, and a sales funnel or website. Those are like 2 things you have to have for an online business. But with Builderall, you get 40 different tools, which pretty much are unlimited for all of them. So this is our website builder. You can even integrate your WordPress website as well, or start a new one. If you already have WordPress, then you can just get a plugin and you can download the whole website and then open up a new WordPress site with Builderall, because our hosting is so fast, it's ridiculous. That's why they've called it Cheetah. Video funnel builders. I mean, we got it all, even our own marketplace. So like a mini JV Zoo. So this is kind of like the equivalent to Calendly booking, online booking, e-commerce, you name it, we got it. Plus they're always improving and adding new tools. So you'll always get whatever's updated, you'll get that included in the price you join. August 15th, the price will be going up as well, but if you join before then, you will be locked in on that price. So in this video, I'm also going to be showing you basically more about the Builderall affiliate program, how 2-tier systems work, how it's not an MLM, as well as combining it with the free Rapid Profit Machine. It's just crazy. It is probably the easiest affiliate program you can have access to that has multiple income streams in the one funnel. Plus my bonuses, which are worth over $5,000, even including a free hotel holiday to 16 different destinations. And I also include 4 free gifts just for joining my email list. So can't say fairer than that, really. And I'll also be showing you my earnings that I've made in the last 2 weeks. Okay, so you want to come to the affiliate side of things. So there are a bunch of pre-made Builderall funnels for you to use. But like I said, I highly, highly recommend using the Rapid Profit Machine, which I will show you shortly. Okay, so this is an awesome little calculator that we have. Like I said, this is about the 2-tier. And then, as I said before, it is not MLM. MLM is basically a pyramid scheme, and it kind of goes from top down to bottom. Bottom people never make any money. This is just 2 tiers. Well, everyone earns 100% commissions on your first sale, and then you earn 30% monthly recurring after your first month, but not just on the people that you bring in, but also on the people that they bring in. So hence the 2 tiers. So you get 30% monthly recurring commissions on 2 levels, which is amazing. And it's the best kind of affiliate program you can join, basically. Let's say you can just 1 sale a month for Builderall, right? And when people get in there and see what the value you get, they will stay. So we have a very high retention rate as well. Okay, and then say that because if you're going to, especially if you're using the Rapid Profit Machine, let's just say you're going to bring in 12 affiliates as well. So just 1 a month, right? Because whoever you bring in also want to be an affiliate. You're going to make $251 a month, which, it's great. once a month, one a month. It's a very part-time side hustle job that you could do. Okay, so this amount doesn't include your first month, which is 100% commissions. Well, it's a little bit less because of a payment gateway fee. So it's about $63 times 12. Okay, so you'll have that $756 plus this monthly. Now, this is where the beauty of two-tier comes in. Okay, so let's say out of your 12, these 12 brought in just what you did, 12, one a month. Boom. Check. Like, that's what I'm talking about, 2 tiers. So over $3,000 more a month. And this is just one a month. And you also get to use my bonuses for your leads as well and pass them on to your leads. I have like a 2-page bonus website. So one is the free one. And then when people join Builderall as a paid member, they get the $5,000 premium bonuses, which you can obviously use for yourself as well as your leads. So now this isn't too bad at all, is it? Over $3,000 a month for just selling one a month. All right. Because you're going to get all this training inside the Rapid Profit Machine. Like, just remember this numbers, okay? Because I'm going to show you the Rapid Profit Machine in a minute, which also has multiple income streams. So that's going to add to the amount you can make as well. Now, of course, this is a disclaimer and you have to put in some work, but this is what, it is accurate of what you could possibly make if you do sell this amount. Okay, so let's say I can actually sell one a week, okay? And let's just say half of them, because not everyone's an action taker like you. Okay, so now we're up to over $7,000 a month recurring after 1 year building your business. But again, of course, 52 times 63 plus that on top, because that's for your first month, right? But now let's say that these guys, they can bring in 25 as well. So that's just one every 2 weeks. There you go. You're on to 14,000 a month plus of this. Okay. And that's doable. One a week that you're selling, and then only half of your affiliates bring in one every 2 weeks. And you're going to be on 14,000. And now I'm going to show you the Rapid Profit Machine to blow your mind even more. Okay, and also because you have to apply to become an affiliate with Builderall unless you join through the Rapid Profit Machine or a premium membership or the funnel membership. Okay, so this is why I'm saying, especially for beginners, if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, please go through the Rapid Profit Machine, which I'll have in the link below. Okay, so once you get inside, you're going to get a done for you system, which has your website, which has 30 done for you emails, and also includes all this training as well as live masterclasses every Wednesday at noon. Okay, so you just got to follow these 6 steps. You'll be able to get your free Builderall account because you get a 2-week free trial. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. You can try all this out for free today. Plus, you get to keep my bonuses, even if you don't join for whatever reason. Okay, so all you have to do is follow those steps, and then here's like the training you get. And of course, Builderall has awesome Facebook groups and great support, 24/7 support. Plus, there's tutorials how to use every tool in there as well. And this is just the affiliate side. So you could, I've built websites for clients and made thousands of dollars. So this is just one part of it. And when you have everything done for you, you just have to send traffic. That's your only job. So you can use TikTok, you can use YouTube, Instagram, Facebook for free organic traffic. Or if you wanted, you can also get solo ads through James. And James Neville Taylor, he's the genius that built the Rapid Profit Machine. And he's the #1 affiliate in the world for Builderall. So he knows his stuff. And he's made almost coming up to close to $1 million just from Builderall in like 2 years. Okay, so yeah, so here's all your basic training. So you don't have to buy expensive affiliate marketing courses. It's all here, and you'll always have access to the Rapid Profit Machine, to this membership site. All right, then there's for Facebook marketing, solo ads, ninja life hacks. There are a few upsells in the Rapid Profit Machine, which are optional, but I would highly suggest you upgrade to Pro, because RPM Pro, it's only $30 a month, and you get 100% commissions on all 4 of these upsells. If you don't upgrade to Pro, then you get 50% commissions on these 3 because they're one-off payments. You don't get it on the Pro. So like I'm saying, so it's less than $100, you're going to be making your money from Builderall as well as money from RPM 100% commissions. Plus, there's lots of other James's products inside the marketplace, inside the Builderall marketplace. And when you're a pro, you can also earn commissions on those as well. I mean, I'm also part of Massive Affiliate Blueprint, which there's a video, I'll put the link in this video for that, to check out that, which is like the RPM, the Rapid Profit Machine, times 1,000. It's amazing. But anyways, we're sticking with the Builderall affiliate and RPM. Okay, yes, so like I said, everything you're here. And he even does competitions, as well as you get one free traffic spot in his rotator. So he's even giving you free traffic out of his money. There's promo materials for both Builderall and Rapid Profit Machine. And he also has contests and prizes where you can win up to 1,000 solo ad clicks, which are worth $935 for just making a 1-minute testimonial. Good or bad, doesn't matter, because it's a machine picks the winner every month. So every month he gives away 1,000 clicks, plus occasionally 100 clicks to people he might see in the Rapid Profit Machine that are making sales. Myself and James are both one of the rare, honest people in affiliate marketing. And when you join my team, not only do you get my bonuses, so here is, there we go. So that's where James and I met. We both did our certified partnership course together in 2017, 2018. And he is a top guy. We both like to over deliver. Also highly recommend you watching this video as well, which is in my channel, to show you all the tips I've learned to maximize it. Okay, so yeah, you'll get these four. And I mean, this has over 140 recurring affiliate programs, top free tools, 17 the best tips. And this is like a 140-page book on every resource you could possibly need for your online business. Now, these are the premium bonuses that you get if you become a paid premium Builderall member, basically. Okay. So yeah, here's the free vacation giveaway. Not only do you get all these bonuses for yourself, but I will also transfer a copy of this web page for the free and the premium that you can use for your leads as well. And you can change them up. You can put your own video in there. I would keep maybe our two things because it shows we have experience and you can leverage our knowledge with Builderall, but it's totally up to you. And then you just have to switch it to your affiliate links in here. That's all you'd have to do for this page. I would keep this video in there too because, like I said, it has lots of great tips, but you could add your own YouTube channel and TikTok if you like. Okay, so let's get to the juicy bits and like my earnings for the last 2 weeks. This one's fun, right? Okay, let's just check one last thing. Say that all of your affiliates sell one a week and all of theirs do too. So that's close to 60 grand a month for one a week. If everyone can sell one a week. That is crazy. Plus, like I said, that doesn't include what you can make in the Rapid Profit Machine as well. And it also, plus remember, you do also have that 3 grand. Okay, so I've got a little few earnings here. This is Rapid Profit Machine, but you can also earn from Builderall's marketplace too. It's the same thing. But these ones are coming from the Rapid Profit Machine. All right, not a lot, but hey, $26 is $26. And with the 30 email follow-ups you have, then, you know, if people don't get it the first time they come through the funnel, you've got 30 emails that are going to be sent to them to show them what everyone's been earning, how everyone's doing. Okay, so this is just in the last 2 weeks. Not even, I don't know if it's quite 2 weeks. And this is how much I made so far. And then we've got, this is all Rapid Profit Machine. So if I hadn't done the Rapid Profit Machine and just became a Builderall affiliate, I would have missed out on all of these. Whenever you see $26.97, those are monthly recurring for the pro. So that's what I'm saying. I get 100% commissions except for on traffic, which is 10%. So that's James's solo ads. So not too shabby. I think there's about $400 or $500 in there. That's gonna be over there, and I have a few more coming in this in the next week or so. Yeah, so there you go. That's the Builderall affiliate program with the Rapid Profit Machine. And if you ever need any help, I am just on the other end of an email. Just have to reply to any of my emails and I will get back to you and help you out. Okay, so that's a wrap for today's vid. If you're interested at all, the link's below. And check it out. Like I said, you can join for free. Just make sure when you're coming through the Rapid Profit Machine funnel that you do get register for your Builderall free trial. That includes putting your credit card details in. Otherwise, you're not going to get access to Builderall as well as the Rapid Profit Machine. You can cancel it anytime you like, and you will not be charged until your 14-day trial is over. It's very easy to cancel if you wanted, but honestly, I don't see how you can get a better system, to be honest, especially if you're new with affiliate marketing. Okay, well, take care and make sure you subscribe, and you can follow me along on my online journey. Cheers.